Hello, I'm Anirjit and welcome to the second installment of this new series where we talk about influential cars by car makers. And this week we have Tata Motors. Tata is told to be one of the most iconic brands in the country, and after serving the nation in numerous fields for almost a century, they got into making locomotives back in 1945. Now you do the math. They call themselves Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, or Telco. In 1954, on a joint venture with the Germans at Daimler-Benz, they got into the commercial goods vehicle segment and dominated the market till they wanted a bigger piece of the pie, which came in after they entered the passenger vehicle segment in 1991, with the Tata Sierra making them the only Indian brand to achieve the benchmark of developing an indigenous car. The Tata Sierra, which was essentially a station wagon, marked the first SUV of the country, making this brand the exclusive SUV brand back then. The first major breakthrough came with the Tata Sumo, which was the most popular SUV of that time, and it ruled the roads for the next decade and also has its name on the list of the longest production cars in India, which is 1994 to 2019. Yep, that's 25 years. The Tata Sumo was an instant hit, and it served as a multi-purpose vehicle with the powerful engine and the load-bearing capabilities. It still remains to be an icon. 1998 saw the advent of the first indigenous passenger car, the Indica. It was a wave, and we would see swarms of Indica on the streets, which then was given a sedan uplift in the name of Indigo, with other variants released later. The first competitor for the Indian ruling Maruti Suzuki came into the market and changed the game forever. The Tata Nano came as a big surprise to everyone, as it was launched as the cheapest car, which would cost just £1 lakh. This sent whirlwinds down the market back in 2008, and this specific vehicle, despite of its mixed reaction from the audience and other price issues, remains to be an iconic addition to India's automobile history. In the same year, Tata Motors acquired Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford, making these iconic brands and their historic cars a part of Tata Motors' proud umbrella. Shift to 2017, Tata got down and under the market and stirred up a storm with the Nexon. The Nexon is one of the highest-selling compact SUVs currently in the market, and the biggest catch came with that Tata introduced the importance of safety in vehicles deeper into the people's minds. The first Indian-made car to achieve a full 5 stars on the GNCAP was the Nexon. Tata Motors is also the reason India saw a huge influx of electric vehicles. The first one came with the Nexon EV. The Nexon, which was already winning hearts, now came as an EV and gave people a new way to go green and with a trustworthy name. Tata Motors is one of the leading automakers in the world right now, with safer and greener vehicles, and has plans on being the icon it is in the future, with a unique mark in the history of automobiles in the country. So this was the impact Tata Motors made in this country. And this is all for this week. I'll see you next week with more information on other car makers. Till then, hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube page of OD Mag and follow us on Instagram. I'll see you next week.